have been achieved through SARC, but in this video, I would like to discuss, can BIMSTEC replace SARC, or is there any comparison between BIMSTEC and SARC? Or should India, bet on BIMSTEC? Should we abandon SARC completely? Or can we achieve something through BIMSTEC by replacing SARC? That is the question. So, can BIMSTEC replace SARC, or can we achieve something through BIMSTEC since SARC is not performing? So, that is the question I would like to answer in this particular video. So, in fact, according to World Bank report, South Asia is one of the most densely populated places in the world, but very poorly integrated, very poorly integrated. See, integration is very, very poor. Its intra-regional trade is less than 5%. Intra-regional trade in South Asia is less than 5% of the total trade by these countries. Suppose if India and all these countries put together, say $500 billion trade, but within the region, the intra-regional trade within all these countries put together is less than 5%, and that means we don't have any economic relationship with our neighbors that easily. But this is not, in fact, this is not achieved through. It should have been achieved through SARC, but unfortunately, we are not able to achieve through SARC because of the rivalry between India and Pakistan. So, we are not in a talking terms with Pakistan. We are not able to move forward. That is why things are not happening. So, now the question is, can we use BIMSTEC to leverage this, or can BIMSTEC be an organization to help India in having a better bilateral trade and things like that? Is a question. So, but if India wants BIMSTEC, now the question is, can BIMSTEC, what BIMSTEC can do, first of all? What BIMSTEC can do? First of all, BIMSTEC, if India wants to increase the connectivity, or if we want India, if we want BIMSTEC to be used by India, first of all the connectivity should improve. So, with better connectivity, if there is a free movement of goods and services as well as manpower, things will change. So, good connectivity, connectivity projects along the Bay of Bengal region should be enhanced. And then naturally, this will also help in unleashing the potential of the Northeast India. It will help in unleashing the potential of Northeast India through Sittwe port of Myanmar. We are also talking about the Kaladan project. So, Northeast can have an alternate access to the sea through Sittwe port. So, instead of the Calcutta port, and also the physical connectivity from Northeast to Myanmar will add to the ASEAN's master plan for connectivity 2025. It will be supplementing, or it will be complementing ASEAN's master plan of connectivity, ASEAN's master plan of connectivity. And also, we are doing a series of projects here. I already mentioned we are having our trilateral highway. We are talking about the Kaladan project. We are also having another project to link Bangladesh, India, China and Myanmar, BCIM or BICM or BCIM, Bangladesh, China, India and Myanmar project. So, a series of projects we are trying to increase the connectivity in this region, and better connectivity can definitely help in increasing the trade. But right now, the trade in this region, this BIMSTEC trade is growing only by 0.6%, maybe 1%, 2%, whatever it is too less. So, what I am trying to say is, the bilateral trade within the intra BIMSTEC trade is growing only at a meager rate, a very minimal rate, which is not even worthy to talk right now. So the main bottleneck is the infrastructure. Infrastructure connectivity is missing. And also another big issue is no free trade agreement. We are talking about free trade agreement, but things are not moving forward. Every BIMSTEC summit talked about the need for a free trade agreement, but we have not moved forward. Even India can have, we can use this BIMSTEC for even meeting India's energy requirements, because this Myanmar has a lot of oil and natural gas reserves also, but unfortunately we are not able to move forward in that. China is able to take some of that energy which is produced in this region to Chinese territory, but we are not able to move forward. And being the largest and the most developed country among the BIMSTEC, India should take the lead. The responsibility is with India, but unfortunately, despite the Prime Minister talking about Act East policy and all, we are not able to show on ground. That action is missing on ground, and things are not moving the way we are looking forward. We wanted a lot of things to happen, things are not moving the way, and the biggest issue is one is the lack of the financial resource, lack of financial resource, then even good human resource development